are giving the message to the people that during this COVID times, you should not stop walking. You should not stop your lifestyle modifications. People say, अभी खा लो जितना खाना है, क्या पता जिंदगी का क्या होगा. गेहूं contain lot of carbohydrate. Indians do take lot of carbohydrates. सरसों का तेल, जो लोकल तेल मान सकते हैं हम लोग, this is one of the best oil till now for a diabetic. We do not need trans fat actually.
Because I come with many old age people जो कहते हैं कि अभी अभी हमें 50-55 साल हो गए पराठे खाते हुए हैं, अब आप बंद कर रहे हो. It's like पहले ही थोड़े कंट्रोल में खाते तो बंद करने की नौबत भी ना आती.
So diabetes is such a pandemic now. One pandemic is already there with you, COVID.
Correct.
And the people, those who are suffering with diabetes, already suffering with diabetes, if they get COVID, it is more disastrous for them. We will go from this place after about 10-15 minutes with all the play cards and all that, just to mark the 2020 Diabetic Day, World Diabetic Day, to give to the messages to the community that we should be aware of this scourge, this silent disease rather I can say, in many of us. Thank you very much. I wish that we go here from this place to the ridge. We come back, have your sugars done if suppose somebody wants it. Have your HbA1c that tells me about 3 months average sugar in your blood. That is second. And you will have a small breakfast, knowing that as a diabetic breakfast, you can say that. So you can always enjoy that, these events. We are giving the message to the people that during this COVID times, you should not stop walking. You should not stop your lifestyle modifications, which is a very important part of diabetic program. A morning walk message of 10,000 steps a day would help all diabetics to control their sugar in a big way. One of the social cause of this theme today is nuts and diabetes. Recently, it was lockdown and the people are very scared about going out. But if you have a social distancing, masking, it will give a big boost to your metabolic system. It will give a better control of your diabetes. So I wish that everybody should have a social distancing diabetic walk. We Indians are more towards carbohydrate. We should be looking more towards protein diet now. We should be changing our diet patterns. We should be doing a lot of good therapeutic cooking. We should know what is the oil. We should know what we should eat. And we should know how much we should have a morning walk. Or maybe if those people who are not able to have a morning walk, they should de-stress themselves by many exercises. Even yoga, meditation, even listening to music will give you a solace and gives you a better metabolic function. So with all this message, I would say that the diabetic walk, or you can say a morning walk of 10,000 steps, will help you a long way in controlling your sugars. I would like to talk about something about self-monitoring of your sugar. You should know what is self-monitoring of glucose. Second thing is, which is important, is the dietary modifications. I would like my dietitian to talk 2 minutes on diet, main points about the myths and facts about the diet in COVID times.
First one, eat less carbohydrates and more of proteins so that your blood sugar levels are under control. Do walk regularly, drink lots of water, and you need to make sure that you are eating in a gap of every 2 hours so that you can maintain your insulin levels. Eating in every 2 hours doesn't mean that you have to eat roti and sabzi, but you can eat, you can include fruits, salads, sprouts, more of such things in your diet. Avoid juices because as they have natural glucose and it increases your sugar levels. So instead of having juices, try to consume the whole fruit. Eating a lighter dinner will help you to maintain your weight as well as your sugar. So consuming say khichdi or dalia or anything, any protein, maybe sorted paneer. If you are a non-vegetarian, you can consume chicken in your diet. Try to have chicken breast rather than going for organ meats. That will really help you.
What fruits?
Fruits like apple, pear, jamun. These are the very good fruits that you can have. Guava is really good for you. But in case you want to have banana, grapes or any other sugary fruits, you can definitely have that in moderation.
During these times, your lifestyles are changing. People are having different timings of meals also. Yes. That how much you are finding that meal timings are very important for adapting.
Meal timings are really important, otherwise your body is not able to maintain your insulin level. That is why I mentioned that you need to eat in every 2 hours. It is really important that you take your breakfast within 1 hour of getting up, because already you are fasting for 8 to 9 hours. आपने रात को dinner किया होता है. So it is very important for you to have a good metabolic rate, to maintain your insulin levels, that you eat your breakfast within 1 hour of getting up. So that is why we say it, break it fast, break fast. So break your fasting as soon as possible you get up.
What are the best proteins available in our community?
You can have sprouts, legumes, lentils. These are really good source of proteins. If you are a vegetarian, soya bean and broccoli are really good source of protein to have. If you are a non-vegetarian, chicken and fish are really good to have. Avoid mutton and avoid organ meats.
People say, अभी खा लो जितना खाना है क्या पता जिंदगी का क्या होगा. आप इसके ऊपर कुछ बात कर लें.
It's like जब तक हो तब तक खाना enjoy करना है, तो सही से सही क्वांटिटी में और सही टाइम पे खाओ, नहीं तो आते आते की एज में आधी से ज़्यादा चीज़ें बंद हो जाएंगी. Because I come with many old age people जो कहते हैं कि अभी हमें 50-55 साल हो गए पराठे खाते हुए, अब आप बंद कर रहे हो. तो इट्स लाइक पहले ही थोड़े कंट्रोल में खाते तो बंद करने की नौबत भी ना आती. सो एंजॉय एवरी फूड एंड फ्रूट दैट यू हैव, बट एंजॉय इन द लिमिटेड क्वांटिटी.
व्हाट इज योर मैसेज ऑन द alcoholic parts?
So alcohol consumption should be restricted for sure, but in case you want to have alcohol, it should be limited. I won't say any quantity for now, but yes, if you want to have,
I'll tell you the quantity.
Try to have it with normal water rather than going with the carbonated drinks. You can have tonic water if you want to have. Snacking is really important when we drink. So major part is the snacking part, because when we start drinking, we hawk on everything, specifically the junk food. Try to consume say salads or proteins with your drink, so that you are limiting your food part as well.
Moderation. What is that moderation? Actually, the moderation for every community, for every person is different. But according to the medical science, moderation is almost about 30 to 40 ml. You know, when I say 30 to 40 ml of alcohol, पंजाबियों में कहते हैं कि दाढ़ भी गीली नहीं होती. You don't either give it, or if you want to give me, then let me take it with Mr. Bajaj, at least 100 ml. No, I say no. When a doctor says moderation of alcohol does not mean 100 ml. So please do not cross your limits. So that is why we say no to alcohol. Because when you sit, it is 30-40 ml is nothing for you, I know. For anybody rather. So it is better you take it in a very dilute form, take it a little more time and not more than 40 ml. अब ये भी एक देखा जाता है कि हमारे कम्युनिटी में कुकिंग, द कुकिंग स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द लेडी ऑफ द हाउस. लेडी शुड नो what is best for their health. What is best means how to make an oil better. Which oil is better? This is very important. She will tell you a little in a minute. Which oil is best for now?
I will suggest देसी घी is really good. देसी घी अगर आप लिमिटेड क्वांटिटी में और अच्छे से गाय का देसी घी खाएं तो दैट इज़ रियली गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ. घी हेल्प्स इन ल्यूब्रिकेशन ऑफ योर जॉइंट्स. घी हेल्प्स इन द ग्लो ऑफ योर फेस. जो हम आजकल सारे भाग रहे होते हैं कि हमें ग्लो चाहिए, तो घी इज़ रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. तो यू कैन यूज़ देसी घी, यू कैन यूज़ कैनोला ऑयल विच इज़ अगेन अ वेरी गुड फॉर्म ऑफ अ रिफाइंड ऑयल. यू कैन यूज़ सरसों का तेल एज वेल. सो ये 3 ऑयल्स ऐसे हैं जो आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं.
I interrupt this mustard oil, सरसों का तेल जो लोकल तेल मान सकते हैं हम लोग. This is one of the best oil till now. None of the oil is complete oil in for a diabetic, but सरसों का तेल is better. You can say other oils, maybe refined oil you can make it a little lesser. Do with the सरसों का तेल, cost effective, सबसे सस्ता तेल. Now all this junk food, why we say that you stop junk foods? All food outside the market is not a junk. Junk foods are more tastier because of the trans fat. We do not need trans fat actually. So try to reduce trans fat. That is why we say no junk food. Try to change your diet with little more of protein, less of carbohydrate. This will give you a real good impact.
आटे के बारे में बताओ, क्योंकि गेहूं का आटे में कार्बोहाइड्रेट ज़्यादा है तो उससे फिर डायबिटीज तो
मिक्स करके यूज़ कर सकते हैं. चने का आटा उसमें मिलवा सकते हैं, सोयाबीन का आटा उसमें मिलवा सकते हैं एंड फिर यूज़ कर सकते हैं. रागी का आटा बहुत अच्छा होता है. इस मौसम में बाजरा ज्वार का आटा यूज़ किया जा सकता है.
Thank you very much for being with us, being a part of this social cause. And I finish my walk and talk here. People can come to my clinic to have their sugar levels, to have their glycosylated hemoglobin if they are diabetic, and it is free for you people today. And please make it more aware in the public that diabetes can be controllable. Thank you.